today I'm going to show you how to make a conversation between you and a sprite. So here's how it works. Basically, it's going to be a simple conversation that you both will be talking to each other. So, what's your name? I'm just writing that down. Scratcher. Then it's going to say Scratcher, good day, enjoying, and I could write yes or no. So, good day, bad day, these all are natural. And it will say, what's your favorite color? I can write down red, pink, blue, whatever. Now it's saying roses are red, violets are blue. My favorite is yellow. Do you like it? I could write yes or no. So like, thank you. Even if you don't like it, thank you. So this is how it works. So today I'm going to show you how to make this game. And in the end, it's going to say bye bye. So with this game involves this text-to-speech extension. So open a new project and delete the scratch card. You could choose any sprite you like. Well, but I'm going to choose this sprite. And now I'm going to position it to the center of our stage. Now, I like to choose a backdrop. I'll choose these rays. Now, after this, I'm going to start the project by the green flag, which will basically start our project. Now, we are going to make sure it's going to stay in the center. Go to X0, Y0. Now, I'm going to take a sensing block and ask it, what's your name? The answer. Now, I want to say the name and then good day, enjoying. So I want this sprite to say the character's name and then say good day, enjoying. So for this to happen, we have to take another ask block, and inside of it, we need to take two join blocks from the operator's menu. Put the first join block inside and take the second join block and put it in this area. Now, over here you won't write anything, but you will go to the sensings menu and you will take this answer block. So whatever the name the sprite gets, it's going to say that person's name and it's going to say good day, enjoying. But to make sure the letters don't get, together with no space, is add a space and then write down what you want to write. So I'm writing good day, enjoying, so that's how it will work for this. And now we're going to ask it to say good day, good days, or bad days, all are natural. And let's make it for a bit of 3 seconds. Now we're gonna ask it to say can ask it to say brilliant. And we're gonna ask the player's favorite color. So what's your favorite So it's gonna ask what's your favorite color, and then since the color could be any color, we're gonna make it say roses are red, violets are blue, you love you. Now I wanted to say that what's the sprite's favorite color. So since my sprite that I chose, it's yellow. So I'll just write yellow as a sprite's favorite color. Now I'm gonna tell the sprite to ask the player that doesn't like it. So it is a huge block, right? And now we're gonna say we're gonna ask it to say thank you by a looks block. Thank you. And this as the answer could be yes or no. And then we're gonna ask it also to say even if you don't like it, thank you. With an exclamation mark and in a bracket. And this also for 3 seconds would be enough. And then it will say speak bye bye. And then everything, and I want everything to stop. Although this block isn't that necessary, I'm still adding it. So if we start a project, it will work like this. What's your name? I could write any sort of name. Or I could write Scratch 3, even because Scratch 3, good day, enjoying. I could write yes or no. Good days or bad days, all are natural. Brilliant, what's your favorite color? Let me write pink. Roses are red, violets are blue, you love you. My favorite color is yellow. Like it? Let me just write no. Thank you, even if you don't like it, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Did you hear it say bye-bye? So that's how it's supposed to work. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe. for more awesome videos like this. Goodbye.